Greetings to you all, and we are so glad to have you back on this channel just like we always do. And today we are live in Ezukbo Glass Plaza, the Windscreen giant. Guys, we are going to see the true definition of the Igbo man today, and which is resilience, perseverance, steadfastness, and hard work. These are what the Igbo man is known for, and not living a lavishly extravagant life. This is the kind of thing we should always celebrate. And at the same time, I'm going to explore this plaza, talking about this Windscreen giant plaza, so that you would also see an avenue to create wealth, just in case you would want to get into the windscreen business in the future, or you have any intentions of going into the windscreen business. This is an expo for you. So guys, this is one of the biggest windscreen plazas in Anambra State, Nigeria, and I'm going to take you through this warehouse and also the other warehouse, so that you would see the massive types of windscreen that we have available within this plaza. Don't forget that we are at the Ezukbo Windscreen Plaza, that is located right at D49 and D416 New Auto Spare Parts Market, Mpo, Anambra State, Nigeria. I'll be leaving the phone number on the screen so that you can contact this company to maybe do business with them or get your windscreens, talking about quality windscreens at affordable prices. Don't let people rip you off your hard-earned money. This is where you can get your windscreens of any types, talking about luxurious buses, Mercedes trucks, cars, motor windscreen, door glasses, and window glasses. This is where you can get them at affordable prices and also with quality guaranteed. I'm telling you the way it is. This is the kind of thing we should celebrate. The Igbo man is known for starting from nothing and ending up with something, and that is what we are known for. And this is an example of what we are talking about. Guys, we are live at the Ezukbo Windscreen Plaza in Mpo, Anambra State, and I'm going to take you from this warehouse to the other warehouse that is right beside this one, so that you also see what we have available on ground. And apart from this particular location, they also have a branch in Lagos. There's a branch office in Lagos at exactly Zone C, Block 8, opposite Autonomous Building as Pamda Trade Fair, Lagos. You can also contact them on the number on the screen. This is what we are talking about, and this is the kind of thing I would love to always celebrate and bring to you. Probably in the future, we will have to explore more of such businesses in Anambra State, so that people will actually know where to get whatever it is they would need at affordable prices, without being siphoned off their hard-earned money. So guys, like I've told you earlier before now, this is where you will get your windscreen glasses of any type. I mean of any type. They can formulate glasses for you here. Quality glasses can be formulated for you here to match your vehicles, depending on the kind of vehicle you are using. Distance is not a barrier. Anywhere you are, you can be they can well build for you your windscreen glasses at affordable prices, and at the same time quality would be guaranteed. Don't forget that this is one of the biggest windscreen giants we have in Anambra State as of today, and I'm bringing this expo to you, to your doorstep, without having you stress yourself. And also, just like I said before now, if you want to go into this business, if you want to go into the windscreen business, if you want to go into wholesales of the windscreen business and glasses, you can contact them. Yes, you can contact them and get this business started. You don't need to waste any much time. You don't need to go through stress of someone deceiving you or siphoning you of your hard-earned money. This is a registered company in Nigeria, and this business name is Freedom Investment Nigeria Limited. It is a registered business, okay? It's a registered company rather. So don't forget to contact them for any kind of glasses. Talking about windscreen glasses, door glasses, window glasses, luxurious buses, trucks, whatever kind of vehicle it is, Mercedes, Land Rover, whatever kind of vehicle it is. Don't forget to contact the Ezukpo windscreen giant to get these glasses, the windscreen glasses, at affordable prices and also with quality guaranteed. In the near future, we are also going to explore more of such businesses, talking about mega businesses in Anambra State. So do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and give this video a massive thumbs up. And just in case you have not subscribed already, subscribe so that you also get updated with a lot of such businesses in Anambra State, where you can get your any form of materials at affordable prices. And also, if there are some things you want us to go and cover for you, if there are some businesses you want us to go and look into for you and to get updates for you, maybe you want to go into that business but you don't know where and how to get in touch with a major distributors or company suppliers like this, you can let us know about it. Yes, we'll source such business for you, get you the update and link you up properly so that you can commence business as soon as possible. Wherever you are in this country, it's not a problem. Distance, like I said, is not a problem. Okay, distance is not a problem. We can connect with you anywhere and at any time. Just make the call and it is settled. So guys, if you love what you are seeing, if you love this video, please subscribe to this channel, comment, share this video so that a lot of more people will get to see this video and probably get in touch with this company in case they need the windscreen glasses or whatever it is they will be needing. Okay, and also, just like I said before, now if you have any business you want us to go and fetch updates for you, please let us know about it on the comment section. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so very much. God bless you, and see you on our next epic video coming your way. Bye for now, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more beautiful updates like this coming your way. Bye.